Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. If you are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor, bringing you another property tour. So today we are here in the southwest Las Vegas Valley, and this model that we are touring by Tri Pointe here, this is the Plan 1. This one is 2,014 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, great room, 2-car garage. Starting price, the base price, $402,000. All right, so let's come right on in and let's see what we got here. So we do have a front gate here. That's an option. That's definitely a upgrade that you can do. I do love the panels here. That's really nice. And take a look at this courtyard. Now, one thing that you need to take a look at is that this block wall has been sprayed with stucco. So you might not get that spray on stucco here, and as you can see, it's starting to bleed through. That's probably from water. Wow, I love this right here. So this is definitely an upgrade right here, this patio cover. And I'm gonna walk you all the way back here. See what we got. It's nice to walk through the side here. Nice and chilly today. Great weather today. It's not like too hot, it's not too cold. Wow, take a look at that. Would you rather have an open lattice like this or a full cover patio? Let me know in the comments below. Ooh, I love this right here. I forget the name of this concrete with all the pebbles here. Let me know in the comments below what it's called. Also, I'm looking for a new contractor. If you are a contractor out here and you want to do some business together, let me know. Give me a call. And also, guys, hey, go to my Instagram page real quick too as well. Trying to grow that Instagram account. You'd have a 6-foot slide here. HOAs are $47 a month, 189 lots. We're about 5 minutes south of the 15 on the southwest Las Vegas Valley. Right now, this builder, as soon as they opened, they sold so many lots. They're pretty much sold out. But what we can do is, to get on the reserve list, give me a call. Definitely get you guys on that list, on that VIP list. So I love the mid-century door here, 8 foot. Again, you got the Ring doorbell. It does come with a smart home automated system. You got the vinyl flooring here. Now this home is not going to be that big, so it's going to be a little quick. You have full overlay cabinets. Remember, with the full overlay cabinets, you are forced to do the hardware. Now when you go down to the design studio, if you don't have the hardware that you want, they will still drill a hole, so make sure you just do the single knob. Tell them exactly where you want it. Definitely love the backsplash here. Gold trims. Now also, when you're closing on your deal, make sure that I forget, what are they called? What are they called? Home care specialists, right? When you do your final walk, you have all the paperwork for the appliances. You do have this map wipe cafe, which I believe cafe is with Kenmore. It's a higher grade. This is kind of cool. Love that glass backsplash here. Definitely, if you had some LED lights, this thing would definitely pop. Ooh, look at their trim on here. They did a gold trim, but let's take a look at attention to detail. See, when I did my final walk, I would have them fix all this. Right here, it's not even like level. I don't know if you can see that or not. I mean, that stuff could be cleaned up, you know? It's just how picky you want to get. Got the undermounted sink. Love that brushed gold nickel. Look at that. That's gorgeous, though. 9-foot ceilings. Again, you have your 6-foot vinyl slide. All right. Let's see here. Not bad. Here's your 2-car garage. That's locked. Oh, we forgot to look at the pantry here. 2-panel door. Pantry is not that huge. You got your alarm system. You got your half bath. You powder. Pretty large powder here, that's for sure. You got your Petrofina. 8-foot ceilings on here. One thing I forgot to show you is the closet, coat closet. You got 4 inches on the baseboards, orange peel texture on here. You do have the option to do the railing. All right, let's come upstairs. Drop the paper. Y'all better take a shot. Shot. Ooh, I love that glass right there. Look at that glass. It's almost like this is dead space, but I definitely would open this thing up right here. Let's go look at the master. I mean, master's pretty huge. I mean, look how huge these nightstands are. You got the 4 LED lights. Come back here. I'm huffing and puffing. Now, this tub shower is the standard. You can do the walk-in shower, and that's pretty much it. Love that backsplash. Look how gorgeous that is. Got some Delta fixtures. 12 by 24 on the tile. Get your water closet. Now on this one you do have a drain pan, right? Fiberglass. All one piece, which is really nice here. Now you do have that bench too as well. Oops. Walk-in closet. All right. Got a thermostat here, so it's one thermostat. At least this master bedroom has a transfer duct. But here's the crazy thing. On this transfer duct on this return line, I hope it just doesn't connect to this one right here. It spits it out here. I don't think so. Coming down here, we have the 2 bedrooms. Now in this bedroom right here, they did 4 can lighting on here, which is really nice. Okay. Oh, this one looks like shares a Jack and Jill. Standard closet. Gotta rock these shades for a second. Oh yeah. Look at that. Bam! Look, if you guys didn't get a chance to get this CKG merch, that's an upgrade. That's the promo code. That's the password. Make sure to get that. That's an upgrade. Wow. Interesting. All right, we're going to come back around here. Oh yeah, put these glasses back because I was just trying to have some fun. Sorry. So here's another bedroom. Oh, always wanted one of these when I was a kid. Mom, if you're watching this, I want to know why. You never got me one. But you know, I understand. Times were tough back then. But now, we are blessed. Dear Mama. So we got this smart panel box here. Okay. So guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys have not had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also check me out on Instagram too as well. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. By the time you guys are watching this video, we'll probably hit about 200,000 subscribers. Other than that, until next time, I'm chakits.k with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.